back. It's warm and blustery out there right now. At Baton Rouge Metro, we're already up to 79, 81 in Gonzales, so we're getting pretty close to that near record high temperature category. We'd have to reach 81 to tie a new record, 82 to set the new record for today. But the cloud cover is going to stick around the rest of the day. Could see a couple of showers during the late afternoon and into the evening, but the better rain chances will be coming in on Friday. So we're giving you the first alert because it's going to be a bit stormy at times. Haven't had a day like this in quite some time, especially where all of the viewing area, much of Louisiana, Mississippi, under a level 2 out of 5 risk of severe storms for Friday afternoon and into Friday night. So what does this light risk or level 2 mean? Well, scattered thunderstorms are going to be likely, but any severe storms that pop up within those embedded stronger storms could be short-lived severe storms. Not expecting any type of prolonged severe weather events, but the potential is still there. And on top of that, look at the flood risk, a level 1, the lowest risk, but still a risk of flooding, and flash flooding can be rolled out across the area. So much that the National Weather Service just issued a flood watch for practically parishes and counties east of the Atchafalaya. That includes Baton Rouge, Port Allen, into New Orleans, up through 55, Hammond, Macomb, and into Hattiesburg for midnight tonight, and continuing through early Friday, well, rather early Saturday morning, giving you an idea of how long the rain could be sticking around. So here's the storm system well up to our north, bringing a couple of spotty showers to North Louisiana, but this will be pushing south and eastward and giving us our changes. So warm and breezy for today. Thunderstorms likely for tomorrow. A few could be severe, but then we'll get around to some big changes likely for the better over the weekend. So I want to show you the Futurecast graph model, in-house model. You are going to notice that we do have that potential, as I mentioned, of a few late afternoon and evening showers across the area. Very, very hit and miss. Now watch what happens after midnight. Start to see a few storms starting to bubble up, possibly even into tomorrow morning, but our best chance of that severe weather risk, as you can see, is going to be in the afternoon and into the evening on Friday. So the main concerns are going to be the flooding risk, in addition to damaging wind with some of those storms. A couple of tornadoes can't be ruled out either. That too is not out of the question. Now that's just ahead of the front. The front is still not going to arrive at least until sometime Saturday morning into the early afternoon. Could be dealing with a squall line as we wake up Saturday morning, and that will push along the front and exit the region at least by the afternoon, but we could still see a few showers linger around throughout your Saturday. And keep in mind, the rainfall amounts potentially anywhere from 1 to 4 inches across parts of the region, especially from Baton Rouge on north and eastward. So that is going to give us, like I mentioned, that potential for some localized flash flooding. So what's going to be happening behind the front once that front does exit the region on Saturday? Well, it takes the thunderstorms with it, and colder air pushes in as Canadian high pressure decides to pay us a visit. Not expecting any frigid weather, but that is going to cool us down on Saturday and Sunday, and that's going to give us nice weather through next week. Highs are only going to be in the 50s, maybe a couple of light freezes, but this is around where we should be for this time of year.